Whoa! Guys, today is the day to explore Lake Hodges. Lake Hodges is a climbing spot in northern San Diego County I discovered online. I have never been there and I'm excited to explore it. According to my research, the boulders are near the Lake Hodges Visitor Center, and we will park there. So here we are in the parking lot. Based on rockclimbing.com, there should be a place called Army Rock. It should be on the east side of this parking lot. We'll be at the entrance at the yellow bar over there. This guy can see. We will march over there. This is very exciting, guys. I haven't been in an exploration trip for a long time, so we'll have fun. All right, here we are at the trailhead. It opens at 6 a.m., close at 6 p.m. The walk time to the rock is about 20 minutes. All right, guys, I just got my GoPro set up so I can record everything. You know what? There are a lot of good stuff locally. You just gotta discover them. Okay, so we are here in a T-junction. We have a full map. It's a huge trail, so we're actually just in part of the huge coast to crest trail. All right, so we will continue towards our destination. We have a steep road going up, and there's actually a bench, but we're not in a situation that we want to rest. I see a few rocks that feels like it could be climbable within my sight. Guys, I just get to a spot where there's actually rocks that I feel like we can climb. I am very excited, so let's get started. The first one here looks like the down climb for this rock. It's very easy, but just to be safe, I'll still climb up to make sure everything is good. The second one here is very suitable for a warm-up. It's short and the holes are all pretty easy to grip. The third one here looks pretty easy at first sight, but I broke 2 hand holes and 1 foothold when climbing it. Fortunately, nothing bad happened because the climb isn't too high. The last one in this area is a little bit harder for lack of footholds, so a high heel hook is required. The landing is pretty bad, so we have to have 100% of confidence not to fall. We just got back to the trail. Okay, I hear some mountain bike. Hello, guys. And to be honest with you, the rocks are so-so. I mean, a few easy routes, and then the landings are a little bit sketchy, and the rocks are not even sturdy. When I try to hold on to it, boom, it snaps. But now, our next stop is the rock over there. So we will walk over. Here we are, the second pile of rock. And guys, take a look. Nice cracks, good features, good feet. Doable, but scary. That means it's gonna be fun. This climb here is mostly mentally challenging. The height and the bad landing require zero margin of error. The hand holds are pretty good, but the foot holds are pretty far apart. Keep calm and controlled and we can climb up this route. Thanks for watching. Even though I only discovered a few climbs today, so my arms are actually not fully exhausted right now, but the trailblazing and exploration was really fun. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.